So guys, welcome back. We are back on the Minty, or still on the Minty. So one thing we have to do is we have to fix this back panel. This panel obviously has come apart and it's kind of peeling in places here and there, but we got our Super 90 and we are gonna fix this panel because the leather hasn't stretched too far where we can't fix it, but we just need to spray and get everything tacked back down so that it looks fresh again. So on this, you see it kind of started peeling away there, and here. This panel kind of pull in there, so we'll pull this up and we'll push this back down in. Same with all this here and right around the corner. So got a little work to do, little spray adhesive to work with, and we'll get this back to looking good. So let's spray this stuff. So we've sprayed both sides, and what we'll do is we'll let it get tacky, and then once we do, then we will start folding over, because then it'll actually stick to itself and not be, it won't pull away. It'll actually stick and stay. So let's give this a minute and let it tack up. So we are gonna take a break from the panels. We have that one glued. We are gonna take a break and we are gonna look like what is in this box. Let's see what is in here. We won a raffle, if you guys did not see. Won a raffle from E36 Bummer the other day. And just need to find something to cut the tape. And which is super cool. And we are gonna open up the steering wheel. See what we got here. Ugh. Super tape. God dang. What's on there? Let's see. Oh man, it's taped again. Well, make sure that it didn't. Okay. Try this again. Oh! Okay, that guys, that's really cool. Perforated leather. It's actually a really nice wheel. It's almost like, look at that. It's almost like the one that I had in the M3 for a while. Back in the day, the deep dish. But this one is super nice. And I think the red, so question, should we put this one in Project Minty? Or should we put this one in the red M3? That is buried under there somewhere. I actually really like this wheel. Really cool. I think that's a pretty badass wheel. I'm actually probably gonna keep it. I probably won't put it in this car. It's a really nice wheel. Feels really good. I like it. So, back to panels. So on this top panel, we have, you can see the leather kind of peeling off. We need to stretch it and get it to come back into shape. So we were going to spray the Super 90 on both sides, let it tack up, and then we will stick these two together and get that back down. Then we can glue that center back in the middle of this and then get it back in the car. And then our panels are, well, panels are done. Other than the front panels, where are my keys? I don't have my keys. I'll get my keys and I'll show you the other panels, but I really don't have a solution for that yet. Well, while we let those dry right now, we are gonna jump to the motor. I don't have a flashlight. We're going to clean up the engine bay. let me push this back a little bit so you can see the engine. Okay, that's better. So you can see the engine's not horribly dirty. We got dirt in some places, just kind of caked up stuff, but we are gonna get this thing clean. So let's start by scrubbing it down. Got our foamy cleaner on. We got a little detail brush, and we are gonna come in here and we are just going to work our way fully around this engine. Get everything knocked off. Everything, everywhere. And then we will clean it off, spray it down. So let's keep scrubbing. Now we're getting there. We're getting the intake manifold now. Look at all the dirt coming off that. This motor has not been cleaned or maintained in quite some time. So we are making sure we get everything cleaned up and looking fresh. It's just dirty. It's nothing wrong with it. It's everything's dirty. So let's get, I think we're almost done getting all of this stuff clean. Had to hit it a couple times, but getting it all shined up. This thing should look fantastic when we're done. So let's get it and keep going. So, not too shabby after a slight cleaning and rinse off. So we're gonna let this dry, and then we're actually gonna detail the motor here in a little bit, but we're gonna jump back to the panels and see how they came out. Let's see. So we have the top one, and a little wet. Got our clamps on to hold everything. Boom. Perfect. So that one, that's good. This we don't care about because we're gonna push that center down, this piece back down in and glue it. So let's get the glue and get that glued back down in the center. So we have the panel glued. I have some clamps on it so that we can keep that centerpiece in there, and then we'll attach it from the back. So what we do now, we can come back to our engine bay, and it is pretty dry and it's pretty darn clean. So now we need to start detailing it. So let's get this thing shined up and looking good. Okay, we have our first layer of spray on, and while we're letting that set in, I'm gonna try to clean up these headlights. These are the OEM plastic headlights, but I got some fine cut cleaner, and I kind of want to see if, just by hand, if these will clean up. Because I'm going to get the buffer out, and we are going to buff the you-know-what out of these headlights so that they come back to brand new. Let's see. Not bad compared to what it looked like there. It's definitely better. Huh. God, this car just needs a full detail. Like, even the kidneys are dirty. We'll get that cleaned up. Yeah, just a full detail on this thing. And wipe it down. Okay. Well, guys, this engine bay came out looking fire. It looks great. cleaned up great. Everything looks brand new in this thing. So we are good to go right now, guys. So we fixed our panel, we detailed our engine bay, and we got our new steering wheel. So this video is done for tonight. We are going to do some more interior work, cleaning up, and then we are going to start detailing the exterior of it next video. So stay tuned, guys. See you guys next video. Like, comment, subscribe.